Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Now look for your file in Recent Files by tapping on Audio at the top. Look for it in one of those apps, or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and find it in one of those categories. When you're ready, just hold your file and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. Now to add a video one, choose Gallery section instead. Click on your video over here if it's recent, and decide if you wish to add it in Google Photos link form or raw quality video. After you decided, hit Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, just click on Folders. Look for it over here, and when you find it, tap on it. Then pick one of those options again, but this time select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!